Hi everyone, welcome to week 7. In week 7, we are going to be discussing the sale of goods. And in contract law, there's an entire body of rules that specifically relate to the sale of goods. And that body of law is called the Uniform Commercial Code. And you may have heard it, abbreviated as the UCC. So we are going to learn about the UCC. I will post some supplemental resources on it. Basically, the Uniform Commercial Code only relates to goods. And so, for example, if you were contracting to buy a house is not considered a good, it's real property. So the UCC would not apply to the sale of a house. Similarly, if you were contracting for a service, like that quartet example that we had earlier in this session, the UCC would not apply to that because it's a service. It solely applies to the sale of goods. So if you were going to buy a car, then the UCC would apply because it's a sale of a good. Okay, and so hopefully you'll find the materials useful this week. Like I said, I'll post some additional materials. The assignment this week is solely related to the Uniform Commercial Code. It's a series of questions about it, and it is fine to do outside research. In fact, I think I would probably recommend some outside research when you answer those questions. Just make sure you cite your sources and make sure you paraphrase and you don't directly copy from those sources. If you have any questions as you work through that assignment, please reach out to me. Okay, so that's the assignment, and then we do have a discussion board this week in week 7, and it's a broader question about the relationship of Christianity to contracts. And some of you have touched on this throughout the session on different discussion boards. Like why do Christians even need to enter into a contract, and would Christians ever sue each other for a breach? So we touched on this a little bit, and so we'll dive deeper into it this week, and I look forward to some robust conversations. And that's it. If you have any missing assignments, please submit. If you have any questions on anything this week or anything that we've covered in the last several weeks, please reach out. Thanks so much.